wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods. Top-notch hoes, get the most, not the lesser. Straight terror, product of your errors. Pushing culture, baby, got that product you can measure. Trendsetter, the one who get the weather. Swerving while I'm bumping Project Petter. Yeah, rolling through the city with the big dogs. Fuck the laws, loyal with me, we ain't got a cow. Zelly on silent, put the product in the pedal loud. That's how you make the money pop for everyone involved. And if you don't deserve a custom, we gon' cut them off. My barber got me looking proper every single time. Fresh big, getting fitted on that top grade. You ain't walking out of line, smoking what we on. And you know I got it, boy, for the ones who gone. R.I.P.'s in your memory, we carry on. When I die, they will not bury me, not what I want. Put my body, put my ashes in the river, y'all. That's how we know it, that the flow about to carry on. See, immortality's a fallacy, I prove it wrong. The Southern family gon' carry me the way beyond. Anything you've ever known, anything you've done. They ask me how you get like this, how you live like this. Why you worry about it? Get up on my dick, get up out of it. What you think this is? If we ain't worried about it, why she skirt the way? They ask me how you get like this, how you live like this. Why you worry about it? Get up on my dick, get up out of it. What you think this is? If we ain't worried about you, watch me skirt the whip. Yeah, swerving, moving to the money like it's urgent. Hands on God, so I'm in it like a surgeon. The skin color like the bourbon, worldwide sign and we face closed curtains. I hear you, nothing ever certain. Only thing that's promised is that promises are broken. Yeah, so we finding ways to cope that. Only thing I'm breaking is her back with emotions. Ooh. Yeah, baby girl bring out the goodies, stepping in inside the hoodie. Now we turning out to boogie. Yeah, it's cool, I used to fight the bullies. Now I'm fighting with the law. I guess some things don't leave me fully. They try and push me, then they try and pull me. Better when I budge. If you doubt it, then just call my bookie. And my bookie take it back. 5 sides of profit when you know what's coming next. Like, ooh.